Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to remove the dome light overhead console on a 24 Toyota GR86. So what you do it is you take a plastic tool, you pop that cover off. It's super simple. Let me see if I could get you a video of it. They're 8mm. Okay, so 8mm socket. Alright, I'm gonna try to pull it down by one hand holding the camera. Try my best. Alright, there you go. So it's held by these two clips. Then you disconnect everything. It's kind of difficult to do it holding the phone and doing it at the same time. I'll put the phone down for a second. Alright, so you pull this out, then you pull this clip out by pressing right there. It's kind of tough to record it. Okay, let's see what's holding in the front. Alright, so the trick is you push this towards the front of the car and then it just slides out. So that's the clips that it has to pop out of right there in the front. So this is it, and this is the model with the eyesight, obviously. So the one with the non-eyesight should be similar to this as well. And that's it right there.